Some crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I will get over it, just give me some time. But look, I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to flat line. Looking into your eyes, look at me, I'm alright. Try to take memories of us just standing outside, trying to live a life, trying to live the demons in your life. Here we go. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with me? Why the fuck you ain't take a step back and let me fucking Did you really have to hurt me? Put me 10 feet underneath. Look into my eyes and tell me you believe. I'm not about doing this shit for the clout. Devil's mad at all his failed attempts. Yeah, he's trying to get out. I don't know if I can scream because his voice is too loud. I don't know if I can leave because I'm trapped in this house. Sitting feeling what I felt. I don't know if I'm in heaven or if this is really hell. I'm having trouble listening. Why do you even talk? In the sunrise, some crazy shit been on my mind. That I will get over it, just give me some time. I know I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to flatline. I hear my fucking head stuck in my head. What the fuck was I supposed to do when I was lost in time? What the fuck was I supposed to do when I knew you were mine? I never lost soul, but then I realized I'm nothing but a joke in your eyes. What am I gonna do? Science of the fight. If I can fight it, but I'll fight my way to you. And I guess I cannot hide it. You tell myself I'm alright. Here inside our own that we can't hide it, we show when we know that it's too hard to live like we're this broken heart. Tell myself I'm
alright, mister, what do you think you're doing?
My breath, say that you really be dead, say that I ain't really dead when I'm always fucking there. Why you even still here, girl? You never even cared. Or you get the fuck up off.
I think I changed. Things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this fame, it's been so hard to love again. Girl, your love's in vain. Now you feel wasn't getting paid. Can't blame nobody feeling my pain. Switch my lanes and I
I don't plan on dying anytime